Question number 13, electric field inside and outside a cloud of charge is application of Gauss's law to find what? Electric field for a given case, cloud of charge means what? It is not on the surface, it is a volume distribution. Means the way mass is distributed inside earth also, it is not only on the surface, it is not a shell. Mass inside earth is not a shell, it is distributed throughout a volume. So similarly, charge is distributed in form of a cloud, and we want to find out electric field as a function of r, distance, both inside and outside. Value of charge is q. Case number 1 is what? Inside or outside? Outside. Case number 1, you have to find out electric field outside. If you say outside, that means you are talking about any point, here, 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 any point. Let there be a point P, which is at what distance? X. So we have to find out electric field any point from this point, x is equal to r up to infinity. That means what? X varies between r to infinity. One full page, 1 minute to draw the diagram. Yes, what is the first step for Gaussian surface? A step for Gauss's law? Draw a Gaussian surface, hypothetical Gaussian surface. At what distance? X. So these lines move out radially outward in all directions. So this Gaussian surface is what? It is a sphere. As per Gauss's law, total electric flux out of a closed surface, that is just like waves come out of, light waves come out of source of light, a bulb. Similarly, electric field lines come out of the same, is equal to what? 1 by epsilon times charge. E, yes, magnitude of E is the same at all points. Why? They are at a same distance. If you have a bulb, 1 meter in one direction, 1 meter, 1 meter, any direction, 1 meter, light value, light flux available is same. So E is same. ds means what? ds means small area. Integration means total. Close means closed surface. So total area of closed surface, Gaussian surface in this case is what? Sphere, and for this the value is 4 pi r square is equal to q by epsilon naught. E is equal to what? Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. It is plus 1. Gravitational field intensity G, force experienced per unit mass outside earth, was inversely proportional to r square. So it is same as that of E outside is inversely proportional to r square. Time with you is 2 minutes to complete. 2 minutes to complete. Case number 2 is what? Now for any point outside you have answered it. If there is a point inside, what was the value of G inside earth What was the relationship? Yes, Earth, inside Earth, how small g varies inside Earth? It was directly proportional. Inside it was directly proportional, outside it was inversely proportional to r square. So here also you will get the same result. Case number 2 is inside. Inside x varies from 0 to r. Procedure is any point P at a distance x from center. Step 1, yes, draw a Gaussian surface. Gauss's law, total flux out of a closed surface is equal to charge contained. Now, total charge in this big sphere was capital Q. Charge in this sphere is not Q. Agreed? It is less than Q. Let me write this as Qx. So the only challenge which you have is to write the value of Qx. 2 minutes with you. Write case number 2. Write all this information and try to answer this part Qx. Nothing to do with the +1 +2. Total charge in a big sphere of radius r is capital Q. What is the charge inside this small sphere? 2 minutes with you. 2 minutes. It should be written as r. I have written previous part I have written as r. Here also in the graph I have written r. So I should write small r, not x. Fine. Yes, QR, charge enclosed in this black part, only this part. Total charge is how much? Capital Q. Total volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. It is charge per unit volume, charge density. What is charge in this part only? Volume of this black part, 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 is cancelled. What you get is QR is equal to what? Q into small r cube by capital R cube. That is the only challenge. This 1 by epsilon naught as it is. The only challenge in this. +1. It was not charge. Yes, for Earth, it was what? Mass over volume into volume of small part. So same derivation. That is why you will draw the same conclusion. It is what? Q small r cube over r cube epsilon naught. This is r square. This is r cube. Yes. What you are left with is Q. This is r cube. This is r square. What you are left with is r. What about this part? 4 pi epsilon naught. 4 pi epsilon naught. R cube. So electric field at any distance r when it is outside. Yes. This capital Q is a constant. Radius of this sphere is also a constant. So this part is constant means what? Inside it is directly proportional to r. What does it mean? Straight line. Y proportional to x means it is a straight line. When r is 0, E is 0, 1 point. Second point, when r is equal to capital R, it is q by 4 pi epsilon naught r. This is r cube, this is r. So what you are getting is r square. What was the expression for outside? The expression for outside at this point, that is at the surface, was q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. So if you put small r equal to capital R, you get the same expression. That means what? These 2 points lie on straight line. How E varies inside now? Inside, E inside is proportional to R. So you are getting the same graph as variation of small g inside and outside Earth. Inside G chapter number 6 directly proportional to R, outside inversely proportional to R squared. Anyone, why you are getting the same expression? Why the graph is of same form? Because both follow inverse square law. Gravitation force F, capital G, m1 m2 by r square. In this case, force is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. Mathematically, F is equal to some constant by r square. Both are mathematically same. That is why the outcome is also same. 2 minutes with you to complete.